Last year you had Narayan Murthy who said that people should work 70 hours a week. And this year you had S.N. Subramaniam, the chairman of L&T, who went on to say that he's unhappy that he cannot make people work 90 hours a week. And what are they going to do at home on Sunday? Instead of watching their wife, they should come to office and work. So let's speak to Bengaloreans and find out what do they have to say about this, because these are the people, these are the backbone of the working class, and these are the people who are actually at the office working and slogging their life. Sir, what is your first thought on this statement?
So my thought is that after COVID and during COVID also, mental health is very important. And if we stress out about work and everything, so it hampers our life as well. So I think we should focus that we should work like limited time, but we should work like smartly at that time. So there's this two things: hard work and smart work. So I think smart work is important in today's life, and hard work people are doing as well.
So, what your thoughts on the 90 hours number, the whole? That means 15 hours a day.
So it's very difficult to work obviously 15 hours a day. At least I think like this new year also I have taken resolution of working like 8 hours a day. So I have divided 8 hours in three different categories. So 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours of working, and 8 hours of family and friends time and everything. And me time. Me time is also very important these days.
Well, one opinion is that me time is also important. Ma'am, your thoughts on 90 hours?
So even I feel that 90 hours is not feasible because in these times mental health is very important, and it was okay before COVID because people were not putting so much stress into everything, but after this time I think mental health is very important and 90 hours is not at all feasible.
There was another comment from him that what will you go on Sunday and see your wife instead of that come to office? That particular comment also.
I feel that family time is very important because after some time your kids will feel like my parents were not around when we needed them the most. So I think it will build childhood trauma or that time when children need their parents the most. If they are not around, then uh, children will not have a happy life.
Very good point. So her point is that family time is important because there are children also and they might complain in the future. But I have also a group who is eating over here. I might just barge in the middle. So ma'am, I would like to take your thoughts first. Because all your friends have said that first I have to talk to you.
I'm in HR, so I can't speak.
But still ma'am, HR, you should be the first one to say 15 hours a day. How do you see that?
No, I think that's too much.
And the entire comment, how do you see? People should work so hard for so many hours. 90 hours a day.
Actually, I think there should be flexibility, not a forced one. That's my yes.
Sir, your thoughts on it?
I agree to her. Giving flexibility and pay for an employee. Yeah.
Sir, your thoughts on it, sir?
See, I perfectly believe that no matter how long you work in a day, whatever time you're giving during the work, it has to be productive. Whether it's 15 hours, 8 hours, or 5 hours, it has to be productive and catering to the organization that you're working for.
But if CEOs start saying that no, 70 hours people should work, 50, 90 hours they should work in a week, that makes up people working 15 hours. Not everyone can work for 15 hours.
Then again, my question would be that in that 15 hours a day, how much productive is that employee? Yeah, so it all drills down to how productive the employee is.
Your thoughts, sir?
See, it's just, I think even the comment may be, blown out of proportion, and it's not that everybody is working, say, 15 hours per day in L&T. That is not the case. So he just would have made that comment in a larger thought or whatever, and that is never going to be the case. Because as a CEO, he might be somebody who's earning, 4 or 5 crores a year, right? Or even much higher number, right? So for him, expecting that is different. As similarly, an employee who's not nowhere close to what he is earning, so there the expectations are different. And what you are earning for is also important, right? You earn all the money, or you get a big heavy bank balance, and if you are not able to use that, buy a car and go on a ride, or get married, or have a girlfriend and go on a trip, on a date with somebody, what are you going to do with all the money?
Let's have a hypothetical session. What if they are told you to work 15 hours a day? Then what?
That is not going to happen.
That's not going to
It's
happen.
not going to happen.
Not
There are
feasible.
stronger labor laws in the country, and within IT also there are stricter rules that it says, this is the maximum that somebody can work. So that is not going to happen. The comment happened, and just, I think.
Alright, so that is one of the opinions that it won't happen. Well, there are a few others. Let me see if I can get them also and see what they have to say. Sir, ma'am, I want to take a few minutes of yours. L&T chairman Subramaniam has said that people should work 90 hours a week, which is 15 hours a day. How do you think that statement is? How feasible that is? Your thoughts on it? People work 20 hours.
I work. No, it's okay, fine. I don't want to be projected on TV.
all
Please,
right.
please, sorry.
But what are your thoughts on it? Would you like to speak on that?
no, it's better. I feel it's better. Work hard, earn more.
Work hard, earn more.
That's my.
Your thoughts, ma'am? He says work hard, earn more.
As long as you're able to balance, I think it shouldn't be a problem. Work life and your personal life.
So hypothetically, if they start telling you that yes, 15 hours a day, it's fine, you don't have to go back home and see your wife, because that is also one of the comments he said.
I think there's a clear distinction between humans and AI for that matter. You have robots to work for you 15 hours, I think. We are humans, we have life too.
There are robots to work for 15 hours a day, but we are humans and there is a limitation. So this is what the people of Bengaluru feel. There are people who are having their lunch, so I wouldn't want to disturb. But you've got a sense, there are few who've agreed to it. There's a gentleman who said work hard, earn more. There's a person who said that it is not possible because family life will be affected, and that is also important. But what you're getting a sense is that it's a collective voice which does not agree with the idea that 15 hours is feasible because people have a life and if there are robots who can do your work, then why do you need to work so hard? So this is what Bengaloreans have to say with regards to what L&T chairman has said. We'll have to wait and watch what happens. People does the government really think that people should work 90 hours? Like what Mr. Narayan Murthy also said, 70 hours a week or 90 hours a week. So this is a debate. Now bringing you this report from Bangalore is me, Mohammad Wajiullah, along with my camera person, Guru, for News 9.